Match the common mineral with its use. We have kaolinite, which is another name for feldspar clays, uranium, graphite, quartz, talc, and diamond. If we start over here, let's see, electronics and glass. We're going to take that. Most people will get it with the glass, of course. That's going to be with quartz. Sand will turn into glass, and quartz is just sand. A lot of people don't know that we also use in electronics. Watches, for instance, you might have seen has the word quartz written across older analog watches. It has a property of it called piezoelectricity, where if you apply an electrical current through quartz, it will start to vibrate at a very specific frequency. And you can use that to set the timing on timepieces like watches, older watches. So this would be quartz, would be electronics and glass. Pottery and ceramics, that's the kaolinite, feldspar clays. Of course, old pottery, you use the clays, the shape it out, and then you put it in the hot oven, and it hardens the clay into a ceramic material. So kaolinite's a very pure white clay, as a matter of fact. It comes from the plagioclase feldspars, and they use that in a lot of very fine china. Nuclear reactors, well, we use uranium. Uranium-238 is radioactive and decays, and we have to mine that. Remember, nuclear energy is a non-renewable resource because uranium is not being renewed in the ground. It lasts for a very long time, but it's still considered non-renewable because we do mine it out of the ground. Baby powder, of course, that's talc or talcum powder. Very soft on the Mohs hardness scale. Lubricant or pencil lead, kind of got cut off there, but graphite. The lead in your pencil lead is not actually lead; it's just graphite. It's pure carbon. Same stuff that coal is made out of. In fact, you can write with coal in the same manner. The same thing a diamond is made out of. Really, it's just pure carbon. They just have different structures to the way that those carbons are aligned. Graphite is a sheet structure to it, where it flakes off in very small sheets, and that's how you can write with it. Whereas diamond is a framework structure, very hard and rugged. And then, of course, drill tips, cut saws, diamond. They have diamond tip drills. Diamond is the hardest thing on the Mohs hardness scale, and so it makes very nice for putting that on blades of saws and drill tips. Makes it cutting much more effective if you have something hard like that. Very fine diamonds on the tips.